Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to do a journal. Journals are done to modify a patient's account for various reasons, such as bad debt either written off or recovered, small balance write-offs, or discounts. For the purpose of this video, we'll start on the account details screen of the debtor you would like to do a journal on. For additional information regarding the account details screen, please refer to the account details overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Invoice Sub Tab. Double-click on the desired invoice on which you would like to do a journal. Click on the Journal button to open the journal screen. If you would like to view a different invoice, click on the drop-down and select the one you would like to use. You're also able to see the full list of invoices under the data by clicking on the Show All Invoices button. Complete all of the relevant information on the journal sidebar. Please note that if the exact amount of the total matches a line item on the invoice, the amount will automatically be allocated to that specific line. Next, click on the Allocate to Patient Amount button to automatically designate the total. If multiple invoices are listed, the total will be allocated from the oldest line to the newest until no more funds can be allocated. Click on the Clear Amounts button if you would like to remove all allocations made. You're also able to manually enter amounts into the desired fields by clicking on the relevant field and typing the amount to be allocated. Please note that it is necessary to keep the minus in front of the entered amount in order to decrease the amount outstanding. Once you've completed all of the necessary steps, click on the Post button to finalize the journal. Click on the Journals tab if you would like to view the journal you have just posted, as well as any other previously posted journals.